In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Moviebox Pro invitation code. If you've been trying to join the platform, you've probably discovered that access hinges on an invitation code. The good news is there are a few legitimate ways to get one, and I will walk you through each, with practical advice on how to improve your chances without wasting time. First, the most reliable route is to ask someone who already has a paid VIP membership. Only active VIP users receive a limited number of invite codes to share, and free accounts can't generate them. If you know friends, family, or trusted members of a community who use the service, kindly reach out and ask if they have a spare code. Encourage them to check their account dashboard, since that's where codes are typically managed. Be polite. Explain that you understand the limit on invites and never pressure anyone. A quick heads up: codes can expire or be single-use, so be ready to redeem yours promptly once it's shared. If you don't know a VIP directly, keep an eye on official social channels. The development team occasionally runs public giveaways and posts updates during promotional events. Following verified accounts and enabling notifications can help you see new drops quickly. You might also monitor community threads and tech forums where users share unused codes. These pools can work, but their highly competitive codes are usually claimed within seconds. Timing and fast action are everything here. Avoid any posts asking you to pay or share personal details. Stick to legitimate announcements and open giveaways. Finally, you can apply through the official website. Head to the main site. Open the sign up or login portal, and look for the option to request an invitation code via email. Enter a valid address, ideally one linked to a Google account, and submit the form. This route requires patience because requests are processed in batches. It may take a while before a code arrives, so check your inbox and spam folder periodically, and don't submit duplicate requests unless the site specifically instructs you to. Stay cautious. Avoid third-party sellers and keep your account details secure. With a bit of persistence and the right approach, you'll be ready to redeem your code as soon as it lands. Thanks for watching.